This is Jennifer. I am pursuing Pediatric Fellowship in Indian Academy of Optometry. Now I am currently working as behavioral optometrist in Vision Therapy Clinic, Chennai. For demonstration, I have chosen Vision Therapy as a topic. I will demonstrate each topic with one activity. Let's see one by one.
First, I'll start with patching. Patching is more effective treatment for amblyopia, which can improve vision in children. Also helps many ways in vision therapy. There are many types of patches available like clip-on, cloth, adhesive patches. Here I am using cloth patch. For therapeutic usage, it is more comfortable for children to work on it. Here I am doing oculomotor exercise by patching left eye with concentric circles. Ask patient to sit straight. Instruct him to look at the target. Move the target horizontally, vertical, oblique and also circular motion. Repeat the same by patching right eye, then work binocularly. This will improve fixation, saccadic and pursuit eye movements. Also improves visual attention in neurotypical kids. Next, I'll demonstrate activity with prism. Prisms can be used for optical, diagnostic and therapeutic purpose. For my child, he have complained of not looking in upper gaze. So I have given base down for him so that image shifts towards the upper gaze, that is the apex, where he have the difficulty. Ask the child to walk on the line. He is experiencing image shift for very first time. So that's the reason for his difficulty in walking. Ask him to repeat the same. By practicing, he can able to adapt to it. We can improve his skill by continuing this activity in daily sessions. Pencil push-up is an eye exercise used to treat convergence insufficiency. Make the child to sit in front of the observer. Use any accommodative target. Here I am just using the pen, instructing the child to look at the tip. Move the target slowly towards the nose and then move away from the nose. The child has to keep on looking at the pen tip so that they can able to converge. Ask them to fixate and maintain the target for 10 counts and then slowly move. Our goal is to maintain single and clear image. By repeating this, slowly convergence insufficiency will get reduced. This procedure used for strabismic children also. Next, I will explain about Synaptophore. This is also known as amblyoscope. It is an orthoptic instrument used for diagnostic and therapeutic purpose. This principle is based on the division of physical space into two separate area of visual space, each of which visible to one eye only. This instrument have two tubes for viewing picture. Lenses are attached within the eyepiece that is of 6.5 diopter. Mirror in each tube is to reflect the image of target through the eyepiece into corresponding eye. Scales are there to measure the amount of deviation and illumination control is to adjust the luminance of object. Slides will be there for stereopsis, fusion and simultaneous perception. Diagnostically used to estimate grades of binocular single vision and we can measure angle of deviation. Also can measure IPD, AC by ratio, angle kappa, etc. For therapeutic purpose, it will be used for suppression, abnormal retinal correspondence, amblyopia and also tropias and phorias. Next, we will discuss on computer-based vision therapy software. This is a software called CPT, Computerized Perceptual Therapy. This is one among in HTS. This helpful in children to improve visual information processing, visual attention, visual perception, planning and visual motor coordination, etc. Here there are 18 different programs like scanning, search, tachistoscope, span, visual sequential processing, concentration, pegboard and so on. Each one helps in several ways. Child here to demonstrate few activities starting from visual scan. Make the child to stand on the balance board in front of the system and then instruct the child to point only on the numbers 7, 5, 8, 4, 5, like this. This helps in visual scanning, visual processing, works mainly on saccadic eye movement. She is standing on balance board, so it's improve visual motor ability and skills. Next, this program is called visual closure. This is nothing but brain's ability to recognize familiar picture. Ask and instruct the child to match the picture. While doing the activity, always encourage and motivate the child to perform well. This visual closure program mainly helps in visualization. Next, we will move on with visual coding. There are options like symbols, colors, and picture. I am selecting colors for her. First, ask the child to match the colors and then find the code on the keyboard. Blue, the code is 3. This program helps in discrimination, sorting, identification, also in saccadic eye movement. As like this, each program plays a major role in children to improve visual information processing. Vision therapy helps in amblyopic, strabismic, and orthoptic treatment, which also improve visual skills, efficiency, and information processing in neurotypical children. Thank you.